Welcome back to Amazing Kitchen. Today we're making pan-seared lamb chops in our secret marinade. So we'll start by adding 7 cloves of garlic in our processor, then chop 1 stalk of spring onion lightly to help the processor blend this all in. Now once that's all done, we can season it with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of thyme and rosemary. Then we add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Then we roll our lemon to help it release its juice, and we cut it into 2 and squeeze half of the lemon juice into this mixture. Make sure the seeds are not in, and if they are, you scoop it all out once it's all done. Great. Then we add 1.5 teaspoons of black peppercorn. Then we can all blend this all up. So we'll lightly chop it up before we add our olive oil to this mixture. We add a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and this will complete our marinade. Then we blend this up some more to allow the ingredients to mix well so that they can adhere to our lamb chops later on. Okay, it's nice and smooth consistency but still chunky. Then we get our lamb chops. We have about 1/2 kilo of lamb chops. Look at it, it's cute and tiny. So we will take our marinade and pour it right over. And we need to make sure that every piece is well coated. So we just rub it on both sides, even on the sides, and make sure every piece is coated with our secret marinade. Then we can set this aside for at least 1 hour. The longer the better to marinate. Then we can start chopping our carrot. So we just need a few carrots diced so that we'll saute this later on in our pan and serve this with our lamb chops. Okay, we'll set that aside on our plate. Then we can move to heating our skillet for frying our lamb chop. So we heat a light skillet, drizzle some olive oil, and we drop our lamb chops in, 1 piece at a time. It'll fill our skillet nicely. So give it a nice sear on one side for about 5 minutes. Then we can begin to flip it. Don't worry about the burns, that is simply the spring onion, it's not our lamb chops. So we just simply give it a quick tap to shake that off. Then we can add some butter to this whole mixture. Great, our butter is well mixed and melted. We can remove it now. Now using the same pan, we can add our carrot and our remaining marinade to this. So we'll just saute our carrot in this, add some water and help it soften up. So we'll just put a lid on it and let it steam for 7 minutes. Look how beautiful this is. It has softened up nicely but not overdoing. So we can set this aside and plate this. Our lamb chops has been sitting around for some time. We can layer it on the top and drizzle the remaining juice over each one of it. And this will give it the finer glistening on the lamb chop. Look at this, it's beautiful. So let's give this a try. I'm so excited. very tender. The marinade just soaked right into the lamb chops and it's perfect. Even the bone tastes good. So perfect. And our carrot, well done. Perfect. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see today, make sure you subscribe. If you like beef or chicken, you can check out our other playlists. Until next time, bye now.